variable curve.
Ang mga materials na ginamit namin ay nakita lang namin dito sa loob ng bahay.
Katulad na lang ng paper cup para sa base ng ating curve. At cartolina para maging smooth ito. The graph is a continuous curve and thus a domain. Negative infinity less than x less than infinity.
Graph is asymptotic to the x-axis. The value of the variable gets closer and closer but will never be equal to 0.
The highest point on the curve of yours at x is equals to mean. The curve is symmetrical about the mean.
The total area in the normal distribution under the curve is equal to 1.
In general, the graph of a normal distribution is a bell-shaped curve with two inflection points, one on the left and one on the right. Inflection points are points that mark the change in the curve's concavity.
Every normal curve corresponds to the empirical rule, which also called the 68, 95, and 99.7% rule.